Aihole Quick Guide. Aihole Overview. The temples in Aihole were built during the period of Chalukyas. It has 125 temples which belong to the followers of Hinduism and Jainism. The village has not yet been listed in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Many tourists come to visit the temples and view different gods and goddesses established in the temples. Bangalakot. Bangalakot is one of the major towns which is connected to many cities in India through road and rails. Previously, the town was known as Bagadichi. Bhajantrays were given the town by Ravana, the king of Lanka. The main entrance to the town was known as Sirur Agassi. The town was later named as Bangalkot. It was ruled by the rulers of many dynasties and finally it came under British. Visiting hours. The temples can be visited from 6 a.m. in the morning to 5:30 p.m. in the evening. As there are many temples, so it takes around 1 to 2 hours to visit the whole village. Tickets. Tourists have to pay an entry fee to visit the temples. Indian tourists have to pay rupees 10 while foreign tourists have to pay rupees 250. Best time to visit. Best time to visit the Aihole is October to March, as the climate is very pleasant in this month and tourists enjoy their visit. The climate is mild to moderate cold in December and January. The period from April to September is hot and is not suitable to visit the place. Where to stay? There are no hotels in Aihole, but Bangalkot has around 21 hotels. The place is around 34 kilometers away from Aihole. The city has 3-star hotels, budget hotels and cheap hotels. The names of some of the hotels are as follows. 3-star hotels. Hotel Heritage Resort located at Station Road. Homestay, inn and guest house located at Akkimaradi layout near Engineering College. Budget hotels or 2-star hotels. Hotel Priya International located opposite to APMC Yard. Hotel Onuragha Deluxe located near Bus Stand Station Road. Hotel Chalukko Deluxe located at Navanagar. Cheap hotels. Kanthi Resorts located at Goddankeri near Semikeri. Sarvodaya Deluxe Lodge located at VBS College Road. Sri Renuka Krupa Hotel located at Bijapur Road. Maharaja Guest House located opposite bus stand. Hotel Shiva Sangam Residency located near APMC Cross. Hotel Aksai International located near DC office and Navanagar bus stand. Aihole History. The old name of Aihole was Ayavole and Arjapura. Chalukko kings built 125 temples here and made the place their capital. Badami Chalukyas. Chalukyos ruled most of the southern part of India from 543 to 753. They declared their independence from the rulers of Kadamba dynasty. The earlier Chalukyos were known as Badami Chalukyos and Pulokeshi II was the most popular king of his time. After the death of Pulokeshi II, Eastern Chalukyos made their independent kingdom. Rashtrakuta tried to win over the Badami Chalukyos, but the descendants of Chalukyos overpowered them. Aihole under Pulokeshi I. Pulokeshi I changed his capital to Badami, which is nearby Aihole, on the basis of the temples constructed in Aihole. Chalukya kings also built temples in Pattadakal. The construction of the temples in Aihole was started in 5th century which went to 12th century. Chalukyas, Kadambas, Alupa, Ganges, Cheras, Perumals, Mauryas, South India after the Kalavars 600 AD, Pandavas, Pallavas, Bhengi, Vishnukundinas, Kalinga, East Gangas. Aihole under Pulakeshin II. Pulakeshin II ruled over 610 to 642 AD and was a Vaishnav. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of Pulakeshin II who wrote inscription related to the king. The language used to write the inscription is Sanskrit based on Kannada script. The inscription describes the victory of Pulakeshin II over Harshavardhana. Pulakeshin II also had conflict with the Pallavan kings. Legend regarding Aihole. There is a legend regarding Aihole according to which Rishi Parshuram killed the killers of his father and came to the river to wash his hands and the weapons. Due to this, the water of the river turned red. A lady saw this and screamed, Ayo holy, which meant, oh no blood. So the place came to be known as Ayohole. Aihole Hindu temples. Aihole has a group of temples built by the rulers of Chalukya dynasty. The construction of the temples was based on early Hindu architecture. The artisans of the period cut the rocks in order to build the temples. The towers of the temples were carved with blind arch which was inherited from North Indian style. The walls were plastered and panels were inserted in them. Another style inherited by Chalukyas was the Deccan style, which includes balcony setting, sloping roofs, and carved columns, and other things. All these styles were combined and came to be known as Chalukya style. There are many Hindu temples which were built during the Chalukya period. Some of them are as follows. Durga Temple. Durga Temple, also known as Fortress Temple, is well planned and has Adhisthana and a tower. The Adhisthana was highly molded. The temple has a corridor around it which is pillared and involves the shrine. Lat Khan Temple. The Lat Khan Temple has two mantapas which looks like Shiva Linga. These mantapas are Mukha Mantapa and Sabha Mantapa. The Mukha Mantapa rests on 12 pillars while the pillars on which the Sabha Mantapa rests are arranged in two concentric squares. The temple has lattice-style windows and carved walls with floral design. The temple was named so because a general named Lat Khan lived here. Ravana Farikep. Ravana Farikep temple was built in 6th century. It has a rectangular shrine with two mantapas. There is an inner room where a Shiva Linga is established. There are large figures of Lord Shiva on the walls which also include dancing Shiva. Huchappaya Temple. Huchapaya temple is a Shiva temple built nearby Malaprabha river. The temple has Mukhamantapa, a hall and sanctum. The porch and hall have pillar having carved images of gods with their spouse. The image of Nataraja can be seen on the roof of the temple. Group of Ainer shrines. The group of Ainer shrines consists of 8 temples which were built in 12th century. Each temple has a porch along with a cella and a hall. The temples were constructed on the banks of Malaprabha river. Ramlinga groups of temples. The main temple in this group is Ramlinga, which is a Trikutachala shrine. Out of this, two have Shiva Linga and the third has the image of goddess Parvati. This shrine was built in 11th century AD. Along with this, there are 2 towers called Kadambanagra Towers, which was a temple form of architecture founded in 4th century by Mayura Sharma, founder of Kadamba dynasty. Galaghanata group of temples. Galaghanata group of temples were built on the banks of Malaprabha river in which the main shrine is Galaghanata, which has the statue of Lord Shiva. The images of Ganga and Jamuna can be found at the entrance. Total number of temples in this group is 38 and besides Galaghanata, most of them are ruined. Surjo Narayana Temple. The temple has 3 statues which includes Surjo and his wife Usha and Shondha. All the statues are being drawn by horses. The height of Surja's statue is 0.6 meter. There is a 4-pillared sanctum along with the tower of Nagara style. Chakraguri and Vadigeraguri. Chakraguri consists of a hall and sanctum. Also, with this, there is a tower which was built on the basis of Rekhanagara style. The temple is supposed to be built in 9th century. Vadigeraguri has a porch, hall, cell, and a tower. The tower was built in Rekhanagara style. Previously, this temple was a sun temple. This temple was also built in 9th century. Ambigeraguri group and Chikkiguri group. There are 3 temples in the Ambigera group of temples. The Rekhanagara style tower can be found on the biggest one. The temple is supposed to be built in 10th century. In the Chikkiguri group of temples, Chikkiguri is the largest one having a hall, a cell and a mantapa. It is supposed to be built in 7th century. Huchimali Guri Temple. Huchimali Guri has Ardha Mantapa which is connected to the main shrine. The sanctum of the temple is Parsak and has a tower is Rekhanagara style. A new thing introduced in the temple was Shukanasa or vestibule. Gaudaraguri. Gaudaraguri was built on the Sam architecture as the Lat Khan temple. There are 16 pillars on the outer wall and the base of the temple is molded. There is an inscription in the temple which is supposed to be of 8th century which tells that the temple was known as Bhagavati temple. Rachiguri. Rachiguri was constructed in 11th century. It has a Trikutachala, each having lots of images. The temple stands on a high platform and the cells face three different sides. The external walls of the temple have the images of Ganapati, Nataraja and Vishnu. Huchappaya Matha and Halabasappana Guri. Huchappaya Matha is a temple having a sanctum and a hall. The ceiling has three Murti figure and 3 is an inscription of 1067 AD. Halabasappanaguri is a small temple which has a hall and a sanctum. The idols of Ganga and Jamuna can be found at the entrance. The size of the temple is not very big. Kontiguri group of temples. Kontiguri group of temples include 4 temples which were constructed in 7th century. The first temple in this group has Trimurti idols on the ceiling of the mantapa. Later, many other things were added to the temple. One of the 4 temples constructed in 10th century has been ruined. Aihole Jaina temples. There are Jaina temples in Aihole as some of the Chalukya rulers were the followers of Jainism. Some of these temples are as follows. Meguti Jaina temple. Meguti Jaina temple has never been completed since the starting of its construction. Ravi Kirti, a courtier of Pulakeshi II, has constructed this temple between 634 and 635 AD. The temple is dedicated to the 24th Tirthankara of Jainas whose name was Mahavira. Sandstone is used to construct the temple and it is considered as the oldest temple. The temple is constructed on a raised platform and devotees can reach the temple through a staircase which further leads to the Mukha Mantapa. There is one more shrine on the roof that is above the main shrine in the hall. There is an entrance from portico that leads to a chamber which is divided by a well. While going up, devotees will reach the second chamber that leads to a large hall and in its center a sanctum is there. An image of Jina can be found at the back of the sanctum. Another thing in the temple is the circumambulatory path which connects the chamber. Charanthi Mata group of temples. Charanthi Mata group of temples has 3 shrines with a portico, so it is known as Trikutachala. The temple is based on Kallana Chalukya architecture and was built between 11th and 12th centuries. 2 basadi with one porch are also there and each basadi has the statues of 12 Tirthankars. Jaina carved temple. If devotees or visitors come from the direction of Badami or Pattadakal, then they can see Jaina carved temples at the entrance. The temple is built on the banks of Malaprabha rivers. Inscription in Kannada can be found near the cave. Aihole, how to reach? Aihole has only road network, so it is easy to reach here by road. Aihole does not have airport or railway station. The nearby railway station is Bangalkot and Goa is the nearest airport. Bangalkot is 34 km away and Goa is 230 km away from Aihole. Huchi Maliguri, Ravana Fari Cave Temples, Chikki Temple Complex, Sri Durga Temple Complex, Aihole Museum, Lad Khan Temple, Rachiguri Temple, Mallikarjuna Temple, Trimbakeshwar Temple Complex, Kunti Temple Complex, Meguti Jaina Temple, Huchappaya Math, Vadagudi Temple, River Malaprabha. Some of the nearby cities to Bangalkot is as follows. Bangalkot to Bangalore by rail 615 km, by road 534 km. Bangalkot to Mysore by rail 741 kilometer, by road 597 kilometer. Bangalore to Chennai by rail 980 kilometer to 1223 kilometer. Depends on the routes as there is no direct train. By road 828 kilometer. Bangalore to Hyderabad by rail 465 kilometer. By road 417 kilometer. Bangalore to Habali by rail 151 kilometer, by road 131 kilometer. Bangalore to Bijapur by rail 97 kilometer, by road 86 kilometer. Bangalore to Solapur by rail 163 kilometers, by road 185 kilometer. By air, Aihole does not have its airport, but the nearest airport is Goa, which is 230 kilometers away from Aihole. Goa Airport or Dabolim Airport is an international airport that connects Goa from cities in India and abroad. The airport is 30 kilometers away from Panjim, capital of Goa. By train, Aihole does not have railway network, but the nearest railway station is Bangalore, which is 34 kilometers away from Aihole. Bangalore is well connected with many cities through very few trains have stoppages here. Railway station Muranal, Honakati, Sidur, Kamatagi, Aihole, Karnataka. Gangur, Amingard, Guladaguda, Teggi, Hangarag, Solikeri, Halakurki. No Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Garib Rath and other premium trains run from here. Even superfast trains also do not run on this route, but fast express train and passenger trains have stoppage here. By road, Aihole does not have bus station, but buses come to nearby cities like Badami, Haveli, Bangalore, etc. Tourists can catch taxi from here to reach Aihole. Pattadakal is connected with Aihole through National Highway number 14. Bangalore bus station, Hornakatti, Sirur, Kamatagi, Aihole, Karnataka. Arnadini, Muranal, Sulikeri, Hangaragi, Teggi, Hallakurki, Goladakura, Aminaga. Local transport. Aihole is a very small place and tourists can visit the whole village by foot. There are local bus services that can be found in the inner part of the village. Aihole. Nearby places. Aihole is a very small town but has huge number of temples which counts to around 135. Besides visiting all these temples, tourists can also visit nearby places like Pattadakal, Badami and Hampi. All these places have temples as well as other monuments. Pattadakal is around 14 kilometers away from Aihole. It is a village where people can see Chalukko monuments. Since the place was considered as holy, the coronation ceremony of the Chalukko kings were held here. The first ruler to be coronated here was Vijayaditya. Chalukyas made the place their capital and built many temples here. The list of some of them includes Jai Narayana Temple, Birupakso Temple, Sangamesara Temple, Chandrasekhara Temple, Mallikarjuna Temple, Kashi Vishwanath Temple. The architectural style used in the construction of temple were Rekha, Nagara, Prasada and Dravida Bimana. Badami. Badami was the regal capital of Chalukyas which was previously known as Batapi. The place has many temples built during the rule of Chalukya kings. Pulakeshi I founded the city in 540 AD. Kirti Varman I and Mangaleshwara were the sons of Pulakeshi I who built many temples. Kirtivarman once succeeded his father, and after him his brother Mangalesha succeeded. Vatapi was later destroyed by Pallavan ruler. The monument to be visited in Badami are cave temples and Badami fort. Hampi. Hampi is one of the largest cities of India, which is located in the state of Karnataka. It is located at a distance of around 139 km from Aihole. There are many temples and other monuments which the tourist can visit. Ashokan inscription tell that previously Hampi was a part of Mauryan Empire. Later Hampi became the capital of Vijayanagara Empire from 1343 to 1565. In 1565, it came under the rule of Deccan Muslim. Some of the temples of Hampi are Malaibanta Raghunath Shami Temple, Hajara Rama Temple Complex, Krishna Temple, Vittala Temple, Biorakso Temple.